There it is. Check out the awesome farm. You got Jerry Lawler.
Right?
Crown. Are y'all open?
Okay. You want to eat here?
Lance Russell. Andre Giant, cool picture. Let me take it. Sting. Just everybody's just, if you can imagine, it's represented. Lawler. Ooh. Let's go. Cardboard cutout. Classic Superstars 2-pack. Jerry's King. Jojo Yodamo's shoes. There's the. I'm sure that's a replica. I don't know, maybe it doesn't say. Cool, they got stuff all over. Memphis wrestling on the TV up there. There's Jerry. Jerry Lawler's boots. Necklace. Classic picture of him and Kerry Von Erich. There's also a world class title belt. It's a bloody Von Erich over there. Cardboard cutout. They got posters all over the wall. Different filters.
Hey guys, we went to the Jerry Lawler. We were gonna eat there, but the lady didn't act like she really wanted to take our order, so you know, it just looked like, you know, like
it's not their busy time.
yeah. So I don't know. She's, you know, we weren't really that worried about it. And we just, I wanted to go see the memorabilia anyway. I wanted to eat at Cracker Barrel. That was my, you know, it's pretty cool. Don't go out of your way to see it. It's nothing really that exciting, but if you're in the area, check it out. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.